Introducing the ultra-low deep freezer, available in both chest and upright models, designed for extreme performance and long-term reliability. Crafted with a mild steel outer body finished with heavy-duty paint for durability, and a stainless steel inner chamber to ensure hygiene and strength, this freezer is built for demanding environments. An advanced refrigeration system and extra-thick insulation help minimize cold air loss, delivering superior energy efficiency. At its core is a microprocessor-based digital indicator cum controller, allowing users to freely set and monitor internal temperatures from ambient to as low as -40 degrees Celsius. Ideal solution for any lab, hospital, relevant international standards. If you require further details on specific testing procedures or equipment recommendations, feel free to contact us.